Welcome back. This is the DMV Whip Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. And we have another hair loss warrior here today. She is getting a full lace unit installed. We're applying our miracle drops to the scalp. All right, and those miracle drops can be purchased at purevirginmane.com. And below this is a, girl, this video just going so fast. I need to know how to talk faster. Anyway, we just put a net on her hair in the other scene where we making sure that the scalp matches her complexion. And that's how she's able to now part her hair. This is a full lace unit. She can part this wherever she wants. And now we have cut the lace around the perimeter. And see? You can't tell me that ain't her scalp, honey. I know that's right. And this is a deep curly unit in Peruvian texture. It can be worn curly and it can be straightened. Man, that's her hair right. Girl, you can't tell me that ain't her hair. Okay? And look, it could even go in a ponytail. And now we have our beautiful hair loss warrior. She is looking amazing. She got a short tapered haircut with her full lace custom unit, and girl, you can't tell her nothing. Please order at purevirginmane.com for hair loss services. Book now.